Welcome to Crypto Made Easy. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to get started with the Antarctic Exchange mainnet launch. It's super easy. Just follow along, and you'll be up and running in no time. Simple as that. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Connect wallet first. Connect your wallet. Head over to Antarctic.Exchange and click on Launch. For a seamless experience, we recommend using MetaMask or OKX Wallet Connect. Once you've selected your wallet, confirm the connection to AX. Step 2. Select Network next. Switch to your desired network. You can choose between Arbitrum, Core, or BitLayer. For the best experience, we recommend using Arbitrum. Step 3. Deposit funds into the platform. To start trading, deposit a minimum of 10 USDT into the AX smart contract. Head to the Assets page, click on Receive, and follow the instructions to complete the deposit. Step 4. Transfer funds to trading account now. Transfer your funds to the trading account. After depositing, go to the Assets page, check your balance, and click Transfer. Confirm the transfer details, ensuring everything matches, and your funds will be ready for trading. Step 5. Start trading. Let's trade. Go to the Trade section and choose your preferred trading pair. Select your trading mode, cross, merge, or leverage. Then choose your order type, market, limit, or trigger price. Set your position size, and if needed, set Take Profit, TP, and Stop Loss, SL. Once ready, confirm your order and start trading. Step 6. Add liquidity. Provide liquidity to the pools. Head to the Add Liquidity section, select your desired pool, and enter the amount of funds you want to add. Once confirmed, you'll receive AMLP tokens as rewards. Make sure to sign the transaction to confirm. Step 7. Withdraw liquidity. Want to withdraw your liquidity? Head back to the liquidity pool, select Remove Liquidity, and follow the prompts to redeem your AMLP tokens. Please note, withdrawals require a 7-day time lock to maintain liquidity pool stability. After 7 days, you can claim your funds. Step 8. Withdraw funds. Withdrawing your funds is simple. Go to the funding account, select Send to Withdrawal, and confirm the blockchain network for your withdrawal. Once the transaction is complete, check your status in the transaction history. Enjoyed this guide? Don't forget to hit subscribe to the Crypto Made Easy YouTube channel for more tips, updates, and insights on all things crypto. Stay ahead of the game with us. See you in the next video.